and tuning back to another episode of Superbot. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing how painful different Nerf guns are. We're going to be working from the least painful ones all the way up to the most painful ones. What am I doing? And you know it, the big boy's back. The first weapon is the dino one. 3, 2, 1... Dang, that was like a 2 out of 10, honestly. That one wasn't that painful, but stay tuned to find out how painful the corner fire is. The next weapon is this small but powerful Nerf gun. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 4 out of 10. Let's move on to this dude. Safety first, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang. Okay, that one took a giant way up. I'll give that one a 7 out of 10. The next one I'm going to be trying is this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 4 out of 10. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Coal fire. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 9 out of 10. Oh my god. Please subscribe. It took me a lot of courage to make this video.